Welcome to our guide on how to add W-9 information for a vendor in Docket. Let's begin. First, log into your Docket account. To access the Vendors section, navigate to the Expense Management menu and select Vendors. To access the list of all vendors, go to the My Vendors menu. From there, you can search for and select the specific vendor name to add or view their W-9 information. Select the W-9 INFO tab at the top of your screen. To input W-9 information of the vendor, simply click on the Add Information link located in the W-9 information section. Once you have finished adding the information, don't forget to click on the Save button to save your changes. You should also upload the electronic version of the W-9 form provided by the vendor for record keeping and reference purposes. To do this, simply select the Select from your computer option and upload the completed W-9 document. After uploading the W-9 form, you have the option to access the ellipsis menu for deleting or downloading the uploaded document as needed. To make changes to the already filled W-9 information, click on the Edit Information option. To update the necessary information, make the required changes in the designated text fields and then click on the Save button to save your modifications. And there you have it! You have successfully learned how to add W-9 information for a vendor in Docket.
Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.